In the fast-paced restaurant industry, maintaining cleanliness and sanitation in food preparation areas is vital to prevent foodborne illnesses, legal issues, and damage to reputation. Here we will discuss how to ensure cleanliness and sanitation in the food preparation area. Steps to follow. Check for areas that need cleaning to avoid mixing dirty and clean surfaces. Clear surfaces so we can clean well and find hidden dirt. Use warm, soapy water to scrub surfaces like cutting boards and countertops to prepare them for cleaning. Use safe sanitizers like chlorine solution or IPA, isopropyl alcohol, to kill germs that soap can't remove and keep our food safe. Pay extra attention to faucet handles, light switches, and door handles, as these often have germs. Use the 3-compartment sink method. Wash, rinse, and sanitize to ensure utensils and cookware are clean. After cooking, clean and sanitize again to prevent cross-contamination and keep our workspace safe. By following these essential cleaning and sanitation steps, we can create a safe food preparation environment that protects our customers' health and upholds our restaurant's reputation.